What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm just gonna be unboxing one of these globes that I got. It's actually awesome. So without further ado, stick around and we'll open this for you. Comes wrapped as well. Let's get rid of this box. So you can see it's nicely wrapped. It's actually called a Midnight Blue, which is pretty awesome. Look at that. So crystal clear. That's New Zealand. Noise. That's where I got it from. Pretty awesome, right? Beautiful. And that's it, folks. I'm gonna end this video. Thank you.